What's up, everybody? It's Mark from 403 Fauna. Welcome to another WIYR Wednesday. WIYR is short for what's in your rack, and every Wednesday I like to share with you what's been going on in my rack for the past week. Now, I've been having this dilemma during the breeding season. I have this really important female that's part of the team here, and I've done some preliminary pairings with one male, but I'm kind of waffling back and forth, and I'm thinking about pairing her with another male. So what I want to do on this video is share those three with you, and I'm hoping you kick back, listen in, and chime in on the chat below to help me out with this dilemma. So this here is Patience, the Enchi Clown, and I got her from Outback Reptiles, and as you can see, she's an absolute monster. She's got to be over 2,000 grams. She's a 2020 animal, and is perhaps the most important female going into this season for me. Now, initially I paired her with Cornelius, the Pinstripe Desert Ghost, 66% possible het clown. That was the ideal pairing. It would have proved out whether he is het clown, and it would have been perfect. But unfortunately, he just wasn't ready to go, as you saw in my vlog last Sunday. So I've been pairing her with T-Mac, the Fire VPI Axanthic. Now, T-Mac is still learning the ropes, but he has been doing a lot of cuddling. The tails have been really close. I think I may have witnessed a lock, but not 100%. So I'm considering going another direction with my stud male this season, Jor-El, the Mojave Crypton 100% het Ultramel. So I want you guys to help me out with this decision and comment below on which direction I should go. But let me share with you the males and make a case for both of them. So once again, Patience, the Enchi Clown that I got from Outback Reptiles. Now here's T-Mac. T-Mac is a Fire VPI Axanthic from Ken McAlexander of Ball Python Investments. Now I've been pairing him with Patience, but unfortunately he hasn't really been getting the job done. And oh my gosh, he is going really crazy right now. So I apologize for that. Let me see if I could calm him down. Okay, this is not going to work. So I'll talk about him with the next male I share with you. I apologize for that. I just wasn't able to get T-Mac under control. But basically what I wanted to tell you was that I've been pairing him with Patience, but there hasn't been really a solid confirmed lock between the two. And I have another female named Bunny who reabsorbed her follicles because I paired her with males that couldn't get the job done. And I don't want that to happen with Patience. Patience is super important for this season. So the dilemma is to continue pairing T-Mac with Patience and hope for some Fire Enchi double het VPI Axanthic Clowns, or go in a different direction. So let me share with you the next male and talk about the other direction. So this right here is Jor-El. He is a Mojave Crypton 100% het Ultramel, and I got him from WIYR Reptiles. Now this guy has been an absolute stud this season. He is currently breeding 2 females, perfect locks, 3 days at a time, and it would be a super easy decision to put this guy with Patience and make some Mojave Enchi Cryptons or Mojave Enchi Clowns. So just thinking about that, creating Cryptons and Clowns this season is just a very, very tempting thing to do. But then, you know, you have that double het, you could go for the long game. So the dilemma is, do I go for that short game and, you know, add some more female Cryptons and Clowns to my collection? Or do I go for that long game and go for VPI Axanthic Clowns? So you can see that the very tough decision that I am having. And man, this guy, look at how awesome this guy is. And to think I could make more of him and add some Enchi to that is just mind-blowing. Oh, I forgot to mention this guy is 100% het Ultramel too. So Ultramel Clowns, man, you know what? I'm kind of leaning that direction, but I'm hoping some of you guys can steer me the other way back again, because double hets are the way to go. It's the future of the ball python game. So yeah, guys, please chime in here what I should do. Again, this is Jor-El, the Mojave Crypton 100% het Ultramel. Thank you so much for watching this week's WIYR Wednesday. Please chime in below. I really need your help on this decision. And tune in on Sunday's vlog, and I'll let you know which direction I go. But have a great week. Take care. Be safe.